Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and today I want to show you guys how to cloak your affiliate links inside your WordPress website. Now I have my website set up here. Now one of the things I do have is Pretty Links, but that's not the one I'm using to cloak my affiliate links. I'm going to show you something else. Alright, and if you go to your a page right here, you see this little quick page post redirect plugin, okay? That's what I'm using. It says make redirect active, open a new window, add rel no follow link, show redirect URL and link. So I usually choose the make redirect active and add rel no follow to link. Then I put my redirect URL in here. So this is my affiliate link. Whatever your affiliate link is, this is where you put that link at. You want to make sure you type a redirect is set on 301 permanent. And then you just use the name of your permalink. All right, you hit update and publish. You use the name of your permalink as your link. And now your affiliate link is mikeshamon.com/subscribe. Go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're getting value out of this. That's how you cloak your affiliate links. All right, now the other way you can cloak your affiliate links with this quick redirects plugin is if you click on the back quick redirects, it goes to the back end here and it goes add new redirects. Okay, the request URL and the destination URL. This is how you would set it up if you had a previous website with redirects that you had to redirect, obviously. That's how you would do it right here. Then there's a bunch of other options here that you can go through, but I wanted to show you the main ways to use this plugin, or at least I use it, is that I make the new pages with the names, customize the no follow link that way, and this way you control the link. So if you wanted to, say you're doing a keto diet or something to that extent, if you have an affiliate link for keto diet, and maybe the offer you're promoting goes away, so you don't have that offer anymore. Well, if you were just promoting with your regular affiliate link, you can't change that. That's why you want to cloak it. Maybe we're using mikeshamon.com/keto to promote that affiliate link. Now that affiliate link still isn't dead. Everywhere you put that affiliate link, it's still alive because now you can change the offer to the live offer that you have. You see, that's how it's powerful, and that's what you want to do when you're affiliate marketing. All right, guys, go ahead and check out my other videos, and I'll see you on the other side.